Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery in BL tonight. We've got Jamaica's tobacco company here. That's the marketing distribution biz. Carreras Limited accelerating more, growing their earnings 22%. For the 6 months results, Carreras, the Q2 and the 6 months numbers here, September 30th, 2021. By the headline numbers, Carreras having an amazing 6 months run here, registering revenue 7.1 billion Jamaican dollars versus 6.1 billion. Carreras getting back to what it knows best, growth and market share. Net profit 1.9 billion versus 1.56 billion. Translating to earnings per share, EPS hitting 39.2 cents per share versus 32.3 cents per share. That's at 22%. Carreras back in biz. Now, Supreme Ventures Limited here, trading in their shares. It's a small sale, probably a connected party taking some liquidity or some cash off the table. 20,000 shares here on November 8th, 2021. Now, Lasco Financial Services Limited, a little bit of a surprise here. The loan book actually shrinking to 1.4 billion year over year. That's September 30th, 2021 versus 2020. So Lasco Financial's loan receivables here coming down by about 224 million year over year. This is the September 30th, 2021 numbers. But interestingly, their cash and short-term deposits huge, closing at 1.7 billion Jamaican. So they can grow this loan book anytime they decide to, whether it's the board of directors, the CEO. Now, much lower second quarter numbers, but stronger 6 months overall. Net profits for the 6 months for Lasco Financial, 133.5 million versus 30.1 million. But the takeaway is clearly Lasco Financial squeezing that loan book, reining it in, and they got a ton of cash, a lot of cash from a microfinance company listed on the JSE. Now, Kingston Properties Limited, real estate business, heading in the right direction. Strong 9 months numbers here from Kingston Properties. They're really growing their rental income, not just the net profit, both are important. So the rental income growing and the net profit. Rental income hitting 2.2 million US dollars versus actually a year earlier 1.47 million. That's that core growth you want to see when you invest in a real estate company. Now, these are the 9 months results, September 30th, 2021. Net profit hitting actually nice growth here, 1.34 million US versus just a mere 70,000 in 2020. Total assets now growing 10% or so, which is nice. 49 million US for KP RIT. Last up, radiology company getting their St. Anne operation better. Elite Diagnostic Limited, growing market share. First quarter, 3 months results here, September 30th as well. Most companies will be coming out with their earnings reports around now. Revenue hitting 140.8 million versus 109.7 million. So that's that growth on the top line. Now, the net loss actually lowered, so it's good. They're growing market share, they're trimming these losses, getting back to profitability. Net loss 500,000 or so, 514K, just below break even versus a loss the year before of 10 million and change. I'm Mark Croskery, this is Business Live.